Your life can change. It can change in a moment. One single decision, that is all it takes. You have the power inside you. Right now, this power can reshape your world. It can redefine who you are. It can set you on a new path, a path to your dreams, a path to greatness. Do you feel that? That stirring, that is the call to change. That is the call to decide. Many people wait. They wait for the right time. They wait for a sign. They wait for permission. But the truth is simple. The power is not outside you. It is within you. It has always been there, waiting for you to claim it, waiting for you to unleash it. One moment of pure decision. That is the key. That is the starting point. Your entire destiny can pivot on this. Are you ready to make that pivot? Are you ready for more? Your life is that river. You are the one who decides its course. You hold the tools. You have the strength. Today, this very moment, you can choose a new direction, a direction of power. This is about a fundamental shift, a shift in your mindset. Are you ready to make it? Your future self is waiting for your answer. There are moments in life, moments of clarity. You see things differently, the fog lifts. Suddenly you know what you must do. This is a defining moment. It is a gift, a precious opportunity. Do not let it pass. Do not ignore that feeling, that inner voice, that certainty. This moment holds immense power. It is your power. It is your time. Grasp it, hold on to it, act on it now. So many people feel this clarity. Then doubt creeps in. Fear whispers, excuses build walls. The moment fades, the opportunity is lost. But not for you, not this time. You understand this clarity is a signal. It is your intuition, it is your higher self guiding you, pushing you towards something better, towards something more. Trust that feeling. It is your truest compass. It points towards your destiny, your extraordinary life. What if today is that moment? What if right now, reading these words, you feel it? That surge of knowing, that powerful urge to act, to change, to become. This is not an accident. This is your moment of power, your moment of decision. The universe is aligning for you, but you must meet it halfway. Perfection. It sounds good, doesn't it? We all want things to be perfect, the perfect plan, the perfect time, the perfect conditions. But here is the truth. Perfection is a trap. It is an illusion. It is an excuse to wait, an excuse to delay, an excuse to not act. And waiting is losing. You lose time, you lose momentum, you lose opportunities, you lose your power. Success does not come from perfection. It comes from action, imperfect action, consistent action, bold action. You learn by doing, you adjust by moving, you grow by trying, waiting for everything to be just right. You will wait forever. The world does not wait. Life does not wait. Your dreams will not wait. They are calling for you. Now, today, they need your action, not your perfect plan, your imperfect, powerful action. Think about it. How many opportunities have slipped by while you were waiting, while you were polishing, while you were second-guessing? Too many. It is time to change that story. It is time to choose action, messy action, courageous action, action that moves you forward. We all have them. Fears, doubts, excuses. They are like chains, holding us back, keeping us small, preventing us from reaching our true potential. Fear of failure, fear of judgment, fear of the unknown. These fears whisper lies. They tell you are not good enough, not smart enough, not ready, but they are just stories. Stories you can rewrite, stories you can change, starting now. Excuses are fear's best friend. I don't have time, I don't have money, it's too hard, I'll do it tomorrow. Sound familiar? These are the roadblocks, the self-imposed limitations that keep you stuck, that keep your power locked away. But you are stronger than your excuses. You are more powerful than your fears. You have the key to break these chains. The key is decision. The key is action. Look those fears in the eye, acknowledge them, then decide. Section 5, the courage catalyst, echoes of greatness. History is filled with them. Men and women who faced incredible odds, who felt fear just like you. But they made a decision, a courageous decision, to act, to persevere, to push beyond their limits. Think of Nelson Mandela, 27 years in prison. He could have given up. He could have been consumed by bitterness. But he decided. He chose forgiveness. He chose leadership. He changed a nation. His courage was a catalyst. Think of Oprah Winfrey, facing poverty, facing abuse, facing discrimination. She could have let her past define her. She could have believed the limitations, but she made a different choice. Section 6, the domino effect. One bold choice, endless momentum. Imagine a line of dominoes standing tall, waiting. All it takes is one push, one tap on the first domino, and what happens? Momentum, a chain reaction. One falls, then the next, faster and faster, until they all come down. Your life can be like that. One strong decision, one bold action. That is your first domino. That is the start of something big, something unstoppable. That first decision, that first act of courage, it creates energy, it builds momentum, it makes the next step easier. And the next, and the next. Suddenly you are not pushing a boulder uphill, you are riding a wave of your own creation, a wave of positive change. This is the power of momentum. It starts with one choice, one commitment, to move forward no matter what. Are you ready to topple that first domino? Purpose comes alive with action. When you make that strong decision, when you commit to your path, you find a new sense of direction, a new sense of meaning. Obstacles still appear. Section 7, igniting self-belief. Your inner giant awaits. Deep inside you, there is a giant of strength, a giant of potential, a giant of power. For too long, maybe this giant has been sleeping, kept quiet by doubt, by fear, by the voices of others, or your own inner critic. But it is time for that giant to awaken. It is time for you to believe, truly believe in yourself, in your abilities, in your worth. This belief is the fuel for everything. Self-belief is not arrogance, it is not ego, it is a quiet confidence, a deep knowing that you are capable, that you can learn, that you can grow, that you can overcome. It is about trusting yourself, your instincts, your decisions, even when things are tough, even when you stumble. This belief is a choice, a decision you make every single day to back yourself, to stand by yourself. Your giant is waiting to be unleashed. How do you build this belief? Through action. Every time you face a fear, every time you take a risk, every time you achieve a small win, you feed that inner giant. You strengthen that belief. It is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Start small. Section 8. The time is now. Your future awaits your command. The clock is ticking. Every second, every minute, every day passes by. It does not wait for you to be ready, for you to be perfect, for you to feel inspired. It just keeps moving. This is your life. This is your time. Are you using it, or are you letting it slip away, waiting for someday? Someday is not on the calendar. Today is. Now is. This is your moment to take command. Your future is not some distant place that you passively arrive at. Your future is created actively, deliberately, by the choices you make today, by the actions you take now. Every decision, every step is a brushstroke on the canvas of your life. What kind of masterpiece are you creating? Is it bold? Is it vibrant? Is it true to you? Or is it pale, hesitant, unfinished? The choice is yours. Right now, stop waiting for the perfect conditions. Stop waiting for permission. Stop waiting for fear to disappear. It won't. Courage is not the absence of fear. It is acting despite fear. Your future self is depending on you, on the you of today, to be brave, to be bold, to take the leap, to start building that future. The one you dream about, the one you deserve. It all starts now. Section 9, your first step, a call to immediate action. You have heard the call, you feel the stirring, the desire for more, for better, for change. That is fantastic. But feeling is not enough, inspiration is not enough, knowledge is not enough. Action. Action is the bridge between your dreams and your reality, between who you are now and who you are becoming. It is time to cross that bridge. It is time to take your first step, your most important step. What is one thing, just one thing, you can do right now, today, not tomorrow, not next week, now, to move towards your goal, to honor that decision you are making? It does not have to be huge. It does not have to be earth-shattering. A small step, a concrete action. Make that phone call, send that email, write down that plan, go for that walk, say that apology, say that yes, whatever it is, do it. This first step is crucial. It breaks the inertia. It signals your commitment to yourself, to the universe. It says, I am serious, I am moving, I am changing. Once you take that first step, the next one becomes easier.